this is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do a double unboxing of this Chanel purchases. So I have the small box and a medium box, and we'll start with a small box. So let's just put this aside for now. And this is the receipt that comes with it. So I was actually looking for a gold brooch for a long time now, and when I went to pick up the purse that was being held for me, I looked into their current jewelry and I saw this, and so this is it. So I've been into vintage jewelry lately that I'm really appreciating the 22 karat gold plating, and this one is from the Egyptian collection, and this is the barcode that goes with it. And this is a good price too. This is, I got this for only $450 US dollars. So comparing it with other brooches, and this one has a really rich gold plating with black, and it's just so pretty. Here, we're gonna remove it. And so this one is the price. So I am actually surprised with the price. I thought this cost like more than 500 or 600 bracket. And what I love about this, aside from the really rich gold plating, is it is not heavy. It is very light, and the Chanel markings here, it's like lasered here. Like you can barely see it, but it's there. So I'm gonna put it on. So I tried it on in the store, and I noticed that even though it has a black enamel, like it seems like it goes with a printed top. I don't know, what do you think, guys? Like I have a printed top, but it seems like it doesn't really clash that much. Like, I just like the look of the black and the rich gold that it has. This one is a vintage pendant as well, and you can see that the color is somewhat alike. This is deeper though. Like, this is just a rich gold plating that I really, really love it. So, okay, so let's start opening the other purse. So I gave it away. It's a purse. And I've been appreciating this purse or admiring this for the past years, but it seems like I can't seem to get it. Like, this is a seasonal piece, but it's like very hard to get at my store. So finally, when I went there yesterday, I saw this purse. So this is what it looks like. Just so happy to be able to get my hands on this. So it came with this papers and stuff. I don't know where's the receipt. Okay, so the receipt is here, and this is 3,700 US dollars with tax. So I paid like 3,997 US dollars. And this is the purse. This is it. So this is the small business Affinity in rich green leather. This is in caviar pebbled leather. It's just so pretty. So I just love the look of it. I tried the medium in burgundy the last time I went to the store, and I love it. But the medium seems too long for me. I'm 5'4", and when I saw this purse, it seems like it's just the right size for me. I am now into small purses, and let's open it up. So this is what it looks like inside, and this is the authentication card. So it is in textile burgundy lining. I've learned that before they In other seasons, they put here like a leather lining. This one is in textile burgundy, which is beautiful, if I may say. Like, it's really, really pretty, like a classic Chanel with burgundy lining. And it has a slip pocket here, and then a zipper pocket here. And what is this? So this is price with a barcode. This is what it looks like. And it is just so pretty. I spoke to the sales manager of Neyman's, and she told me that this is the only, like, each Neyman store only have one color that's being delivered. So I'm just glad that I was able to get my hands on this. So when you close it, it looks like this, and I love the rich champagne color of this purse. It's just so rich, and like, it is just so pretty. Like, it's not a deeper gold, but it's more like a champagne gold. It's look darker here in the video, but actually in person it's more like light gold hardware. And at the back, I've tried my phone in here the last time, and I cannot fit my iPhone 10 inside. So I just have to fit it standing up, but not slanted like this, as it will not fit. So if you are in a hurry, you can put it here at the back, standing up. And what I love about this as well is it has a 4 feet at the bottom, which can protect your purse. Other business Affinity in the past season doesn't have any feet, but this one has, which I'm really happy about it. And it also has a leather here to protect your shoulders. And this is what it looks like, the chain looks like. And I'll do a mud shot at the end of this video, so you're gonna see how it drops on me. I am 5'4", and let's try to measure the length. The length is 22 inches for the strap drop, and then there's a little handle in here which measures like 2 inches, and then it's 5.5 for the height, and across it's 7.5, and the width is 3. So it's a good size purse, even though it's small, but it's a good size for everyday use, which can fit your essentials. I really like it. I prefer the burgundy, but they don't have the burgundy in small. But black is a great neutral, so I am just glad to have the black as well. So let's do the mud shots. We're gonna see how it looks like on me crossbody and on my shoulder. And thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you'll hit like and subscribe. And may all of you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!